Hi, how are you, people of God? Hope you are doing fine wherever you are. Today we are at the sea and it's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. So, what do you say in Shona sea?
Sea.
Hmm.
Sea, it's Gungwa.
Gungwa.
Yeah, guys, help me. Is it Gungwa or Nyanza? Which one is sea? Which one
Nyanza.
is sea? I think it's Gungwa. Gungwa.
Gungwa.
Yes. So
Awesome.
Tauya Kugungwa.
Tauya kukungwa.
Yeah, Kugungwa.
Taya tukungwa. Taya tukungwa.
Tauya Kugungwa.
Taya tukungwa.
Kugungwa.
Kukungwa.
Yes.
Kukungwa.
Yes, yes.
Taya tukungwa.
Kugungwa. Kugungwa, yes.
All right.
Yeah, so I'm here with my wife, my Pakistan wife, of course. We are here at the sea. We are just enjoying the view. I hope you guys are enjoying the view as well. We kindly ask you guys to continue to follow to our Facebook page and to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. I hope you're still enjoying our videos. May God bless you. Have a blessed day. God bless you.
Amen.